Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern McLennan County and Central Texas, South Central Hill County and Central Texas, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near west, or 13 miles south of Hillsboro, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waco, Belmed, Lacey Lakeview, West, Hallsburg, Northcrest, Golson, Abbott, Leroy, Mount Calm, Ross, Aquila, Byram, Elmont, Tours, Extell, and Wiggins. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 339 and 358. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The current